Hello everyone. This time I want to tell you about a basic action. The title is How to replace a drill head chuck. Okay, can you see in the video? In the first step, prepare hand tools in the front of an L key and a hammer. Also prepare a new drill chuck head. And the next step, use the L key by inserting it into the drill chuck head. And the next step, turn the drill chuck head with a L key assisted by a hammer until the drill chuck head comes off. In the next step, install the drill chuck head by turning the drill chuck head in the opposite direction with an L key. Finally, tighten it with a hammer. And the last step, attach the drill bit to the installed drill chuck head, and the hand drill is ready to use. I think that's all can I tell to you. Thanks everyone.